A very good morning to all my students. Welcome to online classes. Students, this is your GK period. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Made in India. Students, take out your GK book and now let's start your GK class. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 7, that is Made in India. Students, these are the products which are made in India. Students, here some pictures of the products with 3 options given below. Now you have to tell that where are the products found in India. Students, now come to first question. Students, which city is famous for its bangles in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Faridabad. Option B, Firozabad. Option C, Fakirabad. Students, Firozabad is very famous for its bangles in India. So students, option B, Firozabad is the correct answer. Students, now come to second question. Which city is famous for its oranges in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Nagpur. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Mumbai. Students, Nagpur is famous for its oranges in India, and Nagpur is known as the Orange City of India. So students, option A, Nagpur is the correct answer. Students, now come to third question. Students, which city is famous for its tea in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Kolkata. Option B, Darjeeling. Option C, Kanpur. Students, Darjeeling is famous for its tea in India. So students, option B, Darjeeling is the correct answer. Students, now come to fourth question. Which city is famous for its petha in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Jaipur. Option B, Agra. Option C, Kashmir. Students, Agra is famous for its sweet dish, that is petha in India. So students, option B, Agra is the correct answer. Students, now come to fifth question. Quilt means rajai. Which city is famous for its quilt in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Jaipur. Option B, Pune. Option C, Meerut. Students, Jaipur is famous for its colorful quilt in India. So students, option A, Jaipur is the correct answer. Students, now come to sixth question. Which city is famous for its silk sarees in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Pune. Option B, Goa. Option C, Varanasi. Students, Varanasi is famous for its silk sarees in India. So students, option B, Varanasi is the correct answer. Students, now come to 7th question. Which city is famous for its scissors in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Rampur. Option B, Aligarh. Option C, Surat. Students, Aligarh is famous for its scissors in India. So students, option B, Aligarh is the correct answer. Students, now come to 8th question. Which city is famous for its pearls in India? Students, here 3 options are given. Option A, Kashmir. Option B, Goa. Option C, Hyderabad. Students, Hyderabad is famous for its pearls in India, and Hyderabad is known as Pearl City of India. So students, option C, Hyderabad is the correct answer. Students, today I have completed chapter number 7. Students, note down your homework. Your homework is to learn this chapter. This is your homework.